DALRIADA Gaelic dialect stands on the verge of extinction. We've got one elderly native speaker left and time's not on our side. We're fighting tooth and nail to try and save this precious part of Scotland's linguistic heritage from extinction. The best way possible to do that is to create a website where we can bring together all the evidence that's extant for the dialect, put it in one place, meaning that anyone anywhere in the world can then learn that dialect using the resources which will be completely freely available for them to do that. But to make the resources free, we need to raise the funds in the first instance to prepare and digitalise all the material and make it ready for people who would like to use it to learn the dialect. So I hope that in the years to come, it won't just be me and my little family that are speaking DALRIADA Gaelic. It will be all of you, all across the world, who will be supporting us directly, verbally, by speaking this language with us and getting involved in our fight to preserve this heritage truly by living it and breathing it for the foreseeable future. Thank you for anything that you can do to help us. Gramor and Maki.